Oh!
Oi!
Hey, run for it, buddy! Look at the water hitting the front of it.
He's not scared to send it, that boy.
Come on, up. Oh! You got the balls? Have a crack. I mean, I love the Iveco, but this is next level.
Oh, he's...
Oh!
Yeah.
Let's see how this happened. So Reuben, there's two guys out there with cameras. There's one guy, he's hiding in trees. They know what's going on. Do you know what's going on?
No, I have no idea.
I have no idea. We're sitting here at a wonderful campfire with a laptop.
I was enjoying myself till that got jammed in there.
Nothing quite like jammed in like a mankini, eh?
That's exactly right.
The MDC Mankini. Have we got a clip of the MDC Mankini? Can we show that? There's no one more viral that I know other than Reuben here. Well, it's funny enough just looking at this thumbnail.
No, well, that's got the Iveco written all over it when you're trying to get into Ruby Gap.
Honey tries to get it across. She says on the radio, Simon, I'm stuck. So he's stuck over there, Vaughn's stuck over there, we're in the middle.
All right, let's have a play.
Oh, yeah. These guys are unbelievable, climbing in and out of the thing. Imagine if he bins it.
That's severely well balanced. Hang on a sec. They're changing the tyres.
That was us this whole trip though.
Every day.
Not quite as talented though. Our Jack's not as balanced.
That's maybe what we've got to do next time out on a trip. When old mate from Clearview blows a tyre.
Get him, just hook it, hit a rock, lift it up, then you are fitter than me. You're going to run along the side.
Oh.
Going down the road.
Actually, you know what? It's got to be balanced. So we get the young fellas.
Yes.
Bugger open the door, straight out the window. Video number 2. Oh,
This is Duro Cross for Jimneys.
fantastic Zook there, set up with some big heavy-duty axles. Let me just say they're not standard.
No.
I can tell that.
It's nearly hanging out the side as big as yours are.
If you want to go back to the MDC Mankini, we can. We'll talk about what was hanging out the side.
What? He's just jumped out.
Hang on, I think the driver's on the other side.
Oh, you just stooged me, his left-hand drive. Man, this is sick. Oh, this was you when you took the kids the other day.
Go. We got the Iveco Mega Bog and had the kids out with the winch cable.
Yep.
Honey pulling the winch cable. All right, now pull.
Now what's this? Another Zook.
Another Zook.
Less body roll than the Iveco.
Pumping it up and over.
He's got a bit more pace, this bloke. He's got the kahunas.
Now I'm running around in the big Iveco. You love your patrols,
Yeah,
but I started in the Zook. They are good little things.
they are absolutely phenomenal. He's not scared to send it, that boy.
He punched it harder than an MDC Mankini up your butt crack. All right, apparently there's video number 3. This is one of those upright videos.
Oh yeah, that's a Hilux.
It's a Hilux, is it?
Hydraulic steering or a surf.
Oh, it could be a surf or a 4Runner.
Yeah. Oh, he's winching.
He's winching or having a pull?
Well, he needs to pull it a hell of a lot harder than that if he's having a pull. Well, he's got 2 winches on the go. I can't even work out which way to pull it.
Well, they need to pull it. It's on some weird angles.
What happened there? Like, that didn't have the climax.
You know what happened? You know what happened? It's like a lot of these viral videos.
Yeah.
Not much.
There was no screams or anything. No, that's a sad one. Don't worry about it, folks.
Let's have a look at this video. What is that? Oh,
Bedford van.
it is the Iveco. And that's how I drive it.
I think that's me in the Iveco.
Now, this is obviously on private property, a controlled environment, dedicated to donuts. 42-inch swampers.
Only half the power of the Iveco.
The big cannonball rims. It's got height, it's got clearance, it's got plenty of rubber. Chrome wheels, you can't go wrong.
No, absolutely sexy as.
It's got big balls.
Yep.
And it's using them all. It takes a lot to drive a four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive in a mud paddock, doesn't it? All right, looks like the Swamper IROX. Oh! It is chopped.
It is too.
4-door with the tub, that's a nice setup.
He been out in Australia, eh? He got them bush mechanics to fix it.
I seriously think his rear brakes are out of adjustment.
I like it though, that's intuition.
All right, video 6. Some serious cubic inches
What
there.
is going on here?
Have a look at this. Is that coming up to a waterfall?
He's going the wrong way though. Don't you usually go down the rapids, not up the rapids?
You got the balls, have a crack. Look at the water hitting the front of it.
Oh, listen to the exhaust leak. Sounds like an AU Falcon going down to the shops from the burbs.
Is that like submerging a tyre to find the leak? That's some serious traction. Would you like to have a drive on that?
I would actually.
That would be serious fun. All right, number 7. Say no more. Say no more.
Oh, that looks like when my wife drives.
That is seriously Vaughan coming home late at night.
Yeah. Honey, I'm home.
Let's see how this happened. I think it's a lot of people like us wondering.
Oh, it's a recovery.
That's a serious recovery truck too.
He was launching. How much air did he get to get in there?
That's a good 2 to 3 metres of air underneath that. So when they pull it out,
oh, it's just going to go.
It's just going to drop. Oh, I know what happens here. I've seen this one.
Okay.
Let me just say, he's saying thank crikey for the EXO Cage.
Oh.
Oh no! That's it. Back it up. Get a run up.
Oh yeah, that is that bowl thing, isn't it? Oh no, this is a different one.
Bowl, yeah. Up it, buddy. Up
What's
it.
he doing? Why are you going that line?
Come on,
mate?
up, up, up. Oh!
Oh, he's...
Oh!
Oh yeah, lucky for the EXO Cage. Obviously he doesn't know how to wheelie a motorbike and doesn't know how to get off the gas.
He did not get off the gas or hit reverse.
Yeah.
Now, we can cue some really cool footage of an event that I went to in Malaysia,
Yeah.
where a guy did that exact same thing, but in mud, going up this massive step up, about 3 metres. They'd spent 8 months building the vehicle. I don't know how much money, and it was their first race, and went a little bit too hard. They're okay.
Yeah. Well, like Violet Rumble at the Springs, that 80 series
Oh.
drove up there, and he did exactly the same thing.
Ah, this is one of my favourites, because I was there, and my mate from South Australia filmed this one. It's not me, but it's my mate. This, I believe, Sam Chapman from WA with his Colorado. Let's have a look.
That's no Colorado.
Wait for it. That is a Colorado. Holden Colorado. Watch the net. Watch this guy. Watch the ref.
Oi!
Hey, hey, run for it, buddy. Oh! They are the Mickey Thompson TTC claws.
Ooh.
And Sam drove all the way from WA to do that. Well, he wasn't planning to do that. Watch my cameraman. Hold the shot. Oh, yeah. Rory Watson from South Australia. Great shot, mate. Good memories of Tough Truck. Here we go. This is the 10th one. All right. Oh, I love these big trucks. That is just nuts. I mean, I love the Iveco, but this is next level. These are the big old army trucks. But look at all these dudes.
All the passengers.
They are doing a Macca's run for sure.
They're actually towing each other as well. So
They're hooked up.
You know, it's a great way to get through Nagala Rocks at Fraser Island. You get the first 4-wheel drive go through, and if you're towing something, you've got a snatch strap between yourselves and keep pulling.
This sort of stuff inspires me, like rocks and water. I love it. I would go there and wheel that stuff. I would wheel it hard.
The water doesn't know which way it's going though.
Well, that's because it's going down that way and the trucks are pushing it that way.
That is sensational.
And the trucks are about the size of the river.
And that would be Russia or somewhere like that, Siberia.
Any other country has laws about riding on the windscreen of a vehicle. All right, here's the challenge. Reuben, there's stacks of viral videos out there. I challenge the viewers, send us a video
Absolutely.
that you would like Reuben and I to review. What do you reckon, guys?
Well, I'd love to watch more with you, mate. Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. Thank you very much, Reuben. Thank you, viewers. Send us some stuff. We'd love to see what you guys would like us to have a mankini joke about. Thanks, MDC.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Gotta get in on this.
Dad, I want skating lessons.
Son, you know, once you start, there's no going back.
I know.
This means total commitment. Once you begin the path, there is no leaving the path. Are you sure you're ready for that?
Now sit yourself and shoot!
You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
Stop crying. It won't do any good. And anyway, you have a lot of work to do starting right now.